stock number 40694B. It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the front bumper's no good, the grill's no good, headlights no good, the hood's no good. Does not have a key. Front fender's no good. Down there, got some on the door. Back door's good. All the seatbelts are locked, the steering wheel airbags deployed, the passenger dash airbags deployed. It does have a key, it does not start. It does have the paddle shifters. Yeah, it's got the paddle shifters on the handles. Again, this is stock number 40694B. It is a 2018 Audi Q5. It does have a key, it does not start.